In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Theme section at the top. If you can't see it, select those three dots, hit OK in the pop-up and tap on Theme over here. Now you can scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save it by hitting Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time choose this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!